SAI VIDYARTHI High School. We started Quest program for the academic year 24-25 from classes 1 to 6. Quest program is quite useful for the children. Children have, in the beginning, they had a little problem, but now they are doing very well with the Quest program. They're able to interact in English. They're able to speak in English. The trainers are very good. The administration of Quest also has given maximum cooperation by sending trainers at regular intervals. If it's a holiday, they are being sent on the next day also to teach the children very good English. Children have parents, the feedback from the parents, what I got when I had a parents meeting was that the Quest program is really very useful for schools which are just middle English medium schools, but the people come from middle class families. Hence, Quest is excellent program for schools. Very good. It's working out very nice. We plan to continue this program for the next academic year also. Thank you.